In this example I will show you how to create associative projected points. First of all, we have two projection mode options, the ortho projection and projection along a direction. In this task, I will use both methods. First, let's start with the ortho projection option. Click the projection point icon. Select the ortho projection option. OK then. Now, select several points. And select the curve. As you see, all the selected points have been projected onto the curve, and they are projected according to the normal direction. OK then. Now, let's work on the projection along a direction. First, click anywhere in order to tab out. Click the projection point icon. Select the projection along a direction option. Select one point, then select the spline. As you see, the selected point is projected along the given direction.